This is a Masoll M23 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. As we open up the box to show you what you get inside, you get an instruction guide how to install the pad, the monitoring system protected in plastic, and 4 valve covers that go on to your valve. And underneath will be attachments, cables, and tools. An overview. We have here are the valves covers, right front, left rear, right rear, left front. Inside is a battery, replaceable, and spare O-rings by opening up, removing the battery for replacement. The spare O-ring goes over and on and closes up for IP rating and locked down securely. 1632 batteries, 38-foot distance. With the solar panel and built-in MAH battery, the unit can be turned on by a long press and a high beep is heard for on and off. On the screen you have Fahrenheit, a car with 2 dashes, and the PSI and the battery. The unit can be plugged in to run off of a 5-volt system, brick optional. Hooking these up to your car, bicycle, trailer wheels, RVs, and more. Placing on the self-gel adhesive sticker for non-slippage. We have 4 nuts to lock the system onto each of the wheel with the tool. As we hit the plus button, the negative button, the tool button, and the power button. This is a sensor pairing shown in the manual. This is a set button with one of the pressure sensors on long press for pairing. As we see a 40 shown up. Hitting the plus for over 3 seconds changes the PSI to bar and back to PSI with a beep. The unit will warn when 25% and 50% pressure as shown in the manual. We have on the car on one tire at 29 psi. Automatically the other 2 are paired. Simply place on. Unscrew, place on and over. Simply hold the pair button down over 3 seconds and the unit will pair. And we are fully paired. When the unit is too far, the first one unpaired. When tire pressure is lost, you hear a high beep. When tire pressure is confirmed back on, the beep stops. As shown, within a couple of seconds, we are warned. Hitting the set button stops the noise. As we remove the other one from the car. We are given a warning and hitting the stop button, set button. These are just some of the features of the Masoll tire pressure monitoring system for your RV, camper, hauling a trailer, anything that requires tire pressure in a bar and PSI. With the 25% increase and 15% lower and immediate deflation, the unit will warn with a high-pitched beep. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, solar powered, battery operated, as well as plugging in the USB-C to an optional brick, a 4 tire pressure system with notes on the valve stem, replaceable CR batteries, Enjoy your product if this is right for you.